Good day, welcome back everyone to the channel, Market Beast Edition. Your fellow compadre is speaking. Today we're going to talk about Tilray, revisit this chart, this disgusting chart I must add, of Tilray to see what is going on. Should the investors just give up, throw in the towel? Should we hang around a bit longer? What's going on? So I'll just go ahead and shed some light on what I think could potentially happen here, and a few signs that could suggest that yeah, something's going to turn around here. But yeah, it's definitely been a pretty exhausting ride to the downside for the buying interest in the market. I'll say that much. But if you're invested, of course, or thinking of investing, stick around to the end, guys. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button as we go along with the content here. So let's just dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 13th, 2020. Previous close of Tilray is going to be $5.93, down about 5.8% for the day. All right, so these are the monthly candles here, guys. Sorry if I'm just feeling like long-winded. I don't know about this thing. Here's the weird chart that I've been presenting to you guys for so long here. Let's just move these lines. We've already discussed those lines. For those of you who aren't familiar, currently we are trapped within, well, Tilray rather, is trapped within, as far as I can see, 675-ish, 680. And approximately $2.50. That's going to be the range that I can personally see that Tilray is going to be within here over the next 30 days at least, right? One thing that I can say is that could be a potentially good sign. Remember, this is the descending channel we've been following here. As you can see, we got the channel right here, right wedged in between these two pink lines, right? So notice the very extreme price action when it gets above this pink line here. And then, of course, we had a little small bounce, tried to hold above it there, and then we just, of course, broke down after that parabolic move. And this happened on the monthly candle of April 2019. And we have not been back above that line ever since April 2019. Now, scroll over to present day here, and it looks as if, assuming I have my line correct, right? Assuming that the line is placed properly, which I think it is. I mean, if we could zoom in here, notice we breached it here. We kind of got a, really nice bounce off it there, December 2018, and a really nice move to the upside again the very next month, January 2019. So I think it's pretty, and then we had some clustered of resistance here between the months of May and August 2019. So I think the line is good. Okay, I'm not going to move the line. I think it's pretty accurate where it is. And if it's not, of course, then okay, that's fine, whatever. But I would like to point out this to you guys as we scroll in here to present day. It looks like we're kind of getting that little peekaboo just above that line. You see that? So Tilray is trying with everything. I personally think it's just trying with all of its might to get out of this crappy downtrend it's been in forever. Well, ever since topping out at 300. Okay. So I'm going to say that over the next 30, well, we have about 16 more days in this monthly candle. I'm going to give Tilray another 30 to 45 days to kind of get above this pink line here and make a move. Just show us something, Tilray. Guys, please. I mean, if we can get like a support confirmation on this pink line here, I think that would be a pretty interesting setup for the buying interest in the markets. And let's just kind of do a quick observation of what that price level would be from a monthly standpoint. So let's just say we kind of squeeze above this resistance line here. Well, at least I'm going to consider it a resistance line here. And let's say next month we come down and touch this line that's been acting as resistance forever, and we hold it as support. So let's just kind of align things here. So if that happens next month, in the month of November 2020, we just get a nasty, another last leg to the downside shakeout. It's going to be approximately $1.91. Okay. And I personally think that would finally mark the end of this downtrend, although it will be a lower low, I'll be honest, because this March 2020 candle reached as low as $2.43. So I think that technically would be the level to protect, $2.43. Okay. So if the buying interests really want to kind of turn things around here from a technical standpoint and make a higher high than the previous low, it's probably in you guys' best interest to keep the price above $2.43. But of course, again, if we just just can't seem to get rid of this bearish momentum next month, again, it's 191 is the price to find support on this the top of this pink line here, guys. Approximately like $2, 191, somewhere within that 10 cent, 20 cent range. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. Let's see. Is there anything else I wanted to mention? Not really, actually. I guess we can go down to the lower time frame, see what's going on the weekly here, see if we got any candles that look interesting to mention. See, it's a little different on the weekly here. Notice we're not even above this line yet. So I think we just need a little bit more consolidating, potentially sideways, but we got to get above this line. I don't like this particular setup when there's an aggressive bullish candle and then we start closing a candle's body above that purple line. If we get a reversal candle, we're going to have to fight with a weekly here, guys, and we may have to come back down and potentially find support at a higher low, and that would be somewhere around, let's just call it this line right here. Let's see, let's make that green or something. And that line would be at about $4.93. Okay, because you see how this candle kind of just hangs out up here. I guess I'll show you an example really quickly. So notice we have, like, it's a weird pattern Tilray does pretty often. It has a bullish candle move up, and then the following weeks it just starts to kind of consolidate and make reversal candles, and after about 2 to 3 weeks it just kind of makes new lows. It's just a really nasty pattern that's been stuck within and can't quite seem to get out. Okay, so this will be an example right here, as this bullish candle moved up, created some reversal candles here, and then of course it just kind of trended down. You see it just kind of made low and then lower high, and just, it's just been really bad, man. Of course, obviously for the guys who aren't playing the markets on the right side. But if you're playing it on the right side, I mean, you're killing the game right now, because yeah, I mean, a put position on an option in this thing is really profitable if you know what you're doing. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here, guys. If this is going to be a similar setup to what happened here, and I think I can even go higher and show you guys. You see, it's right here again, guys. It's just this weird pattern where it's bullish. It shows this bullish momentum. It's just kind of boom, gets above that line, and then it makes a little reversal candle right next to it, and it just kind of trends lower, up, lower, high, and then just disgusting. Same pattern. So it could happen again. Will it happen again? I'm no genie. I don't know, guys. We could be turning around here finally. I don't know, guys. I really, really don't know. So we just got to wait and see. And that's what I can see on the weekly here. Maybe let's pull up the 3-day, close things out. Okay. So we got price action above the purple line there, moving average. So same thing, guys. We got to hold this line down here. $5. $4.93 is a level it must hold. And of course, if we can hold that line, we have to get above this pink line here. Hopefully we don't somehow get wedged up in this area here, and then that wouldn't really be a really bullish case scenario. But I mean, as long as we hold $5, I guess it wouldn't be that bad, right? So just gotta wait and see, guys. But I did want to just point that out to you, that $6, and I think it was 67, $6.75 and $2.43. We're just currently within that range. Expect some sideways action, expect some downwards pressure as usual, because again, Tilray is perfectly confined in a downtrend, guys. I can put out a million bullish targets, but until we turn this thing around and make a higher low and higher highs, it's perfectly confined within the macro trend. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You learned something. Leave your comments down below. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. Welcome my new subscribers. Thanks to my loyal subscribers. Love you guys. You should see a video popping on the screen there. Just go ahead and click that video just to see if I was correct on that prediction. You can roast me in the comment section if I was wrong. That's fine. But just check it out there, guys. Okay, I'm out of here, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.